Like if you think I'm gonna float. Subscribe if you don't think I'm gonna float. Like if you think I'm gonna float. Subscribe if you think I'm not gonna float. Wait,
Okay,
no,
we
they're
gotta
just gone.
Turn around, everybody.
Come out here, here to that spot, and then go. Not where she's going, because that's slow.
Turn around.
Yeah, it might be one person.
Mom.
Is he going the wrong
You going?
way? Slippery surface. Oh, awesome. But I wore the right shoes, so I'm good. Joe, when was the last time you were here?
I don't know. Years.
Like 20? 15?
Oh, probably more than that. No.
Dad, I want a picture of the rock down there too.
Mm-hmm.
Where we put my stuff to be.
Is it cold?
Let me get out. I had to go alone by myself first because I'm older than 5. So I could go until I stopped.
How was it, Killian?
Extreme.
Extreme. Is it cold?
Now, Killian,
Awesome.
I thought she said you could go down with someone, no?
No, we would collide into each other on the way down. It's